from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So I don't know if you guys noticed in the footage I just did of that going up and down that hill, but I've mowed that thing with everything from the Skag Freedom Z to the Tiger Cat to both Great Danes I've owned. You have the camera turned way back there. To the right in the Walker B, I've mowed it with everything. And the problem I just had right there is I had to go really slow going up those hills or going up that hill every time because the front end kept wanting to pick right up. That grandstand is really light in the front end, but I ran into that problem the other day on another property, so I've already come up with a remedy for that, and those parts should be here within the next couple days, and I'll take care of that little issue before something bad happens.
Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want, baby. Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want. Just give me what I want. Give me what I'm looking for.
My glasses are all fogged up.
Mine aren't.
This beautiful, oh, hold on. This beautiful Green Touch face mask. You got a Walker one. There's 2 more Walker ones up there. There's 3 more Walker, or no, 2 more Walker ones, and a Gravely one. That completes our mowing for the day. Well, you know what's really messed up?
What? There's a B19 on here.
Is there really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I didn't even notice that.
Check.
Oh, and an MT. Look, there's an MT
Check
right
this
there,
out.
and there's a B19. No, yeah. Oops.
You know
I
what?
just hit that. We have this Walker.
I told you guys earlier in this video that I have a plan, and I ordered parts yesterday to fix the fact that the Toro keeps jumping up in the air in the front end. How the front end keeps coming up all the time. And I just got an alert on my phone that they were just delivered. I don't know how that's possible when I just ordered them yesterday. They're coming from West Valley, New York. That's actually down in the southern tier. That's only a couple hours south of us, but still. I just ordered them last night and they're already here.
Yeah.
Well, it says the brackets were delivered. I don't know about the other parts, so I don't know.
Off the face.
I'll let you guys know in a minute when I get to the house, because we're done for the day. It snowed on us on and off. I don't know how many times they like solid snow that my whole sweatshirt was pure white.
I looked like Frosty the Snowman.
You are Frosty the Snowman, just an anorexic version.
Oh, wow. Okay.
All right, we'll be back
fun.
with you guys in a minute. Okay, so just the brackets showed up, the weights didn't. But here's my idea. Here's the weights. These bolt to, here's the brackets. They bolt to the weight, and then a pin that sets down over the arm, the front arm of the mower, and then a pin goes through the bottom there, and then you screw this down spring loaded to hold it tight, and that's how it works. But they do say X mark on them. And the thing is, the X-Mark Vantage and the older Toro Grandstands are pretty much identical. So I couldn't find these for the Toro, so I found them for X-Mark, and I called a few people just to make sure that they would fit. Everybody says that they will fit no problem. So I guess the weights will probably show up tomorrow. I'll throw a picture in of the weights right here. Okay, so that's the weights, and that's what's going to go on the front of this thing, and that'll keep them down. From what I'm seeing, there's every set of them I found online, which there isn't that many, list them as different weights, but the majority of what I found, everyone says they're about 45 pounds a piece. So that'll put 45 pounds on each one of them front forks right over top of the front casters, and that should keep it held down no problem. They're actually designed for when you run a bagging system on a sit-down X-Mark Laser Z or like a Toro sit-down zero turn. They put weight on the front so when you have the bagger on the back. But they should work perfect for what I want to do. So anyway, that's it. The sun is now coming out. The sun has been out on and off all day, and it has snowed on us I don't know how many times. But so that's it for today. Tomorrow we have 4 properties lined up, and one of them's our big church, but that's all we have on Fridays, and should only take us a few hours to knock out tomorrow's list. And we got another one added to our Wednesday list today. So that's it. We will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit the
Subscribe button.
What are you mumbling for? Say it so they can hear you.
Subscribe Bobby button.
It's a Scrooby Bobby button. He's like mumbling or something. I don't know. All right, guys, we're out. We'll see you in the next one.